Discover the amazing changes that occur in your body when you eat avocados every day. Heart health. Avocados contain healthy fats that support cardiovascular health by lowering LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Eye protection. The lutein in avocados shields your eyes from UV rays, preventing age-related macular degeneration and promoting eye health. Weight management. Avocados aid in weight management by providing lasting satiety and stabilizing blood sugar levels, helping control cravings and supporting healthy digestion. Brain boost. Omega-3 fatty acids in avocados enhance memory and concentration by improving cerebral blood circulation, contributing to better cognitive function. Glowing skin. Avocado vitamins and antioxidants nourish your skin, giving it a healthy glow and reducing inflammation throughout your body. Immune support. Essential vitamins in avocados strengthen your immune system, helping your body fend off illnesses and stay healthy. Incorporate avocados into your daily diet to experience these incredible benefits and enjoy a delicious culinary journey.